If you're preparing for the Salesforce Certified CPQ Specialist exam, you're likely looking for any advantage you can get. One option to consider is using exam dumps. However, it is important to note that the use of exam dumps is considered unethical and may result in the revocation of your certification if discovered. Additionally, relying solely on exam dumps may not adequately prepare you for the actual exam, as the questions and format may differ. 1. While making changes in the quote line editor, sales reps have mentioned that clicking the Calculate button after each set of changes is too many clicks. Management has asked the admin to streamline the quote line editor so calculations occur automatically after each change is made. Which managed package setting should the admin enable to meet this requirement? A. Use Legacy Calculator. B. Enable Quick Calculate. C. Calculate immediately. 2. Universal Container (UC) has a required configuration attribute for color on all containers it sells. UC wants to display the color of the containers in the output document. On which objects will the admin need to create the color field to meet this requirement? A. Product option, quote line. B. Quote line, asset. C. Product, product option. D. Product, quote line. 3. When an order is contracted, the sales operations team needs to store a unique license number on the asset record for each downloadable product sold. How should the admin meet the business requirements? A. Set asset conversion for each downloadable product to null. B. Set asset conversion for each downloadable product to a custom value. C. Set asset conversion for each downloadable product to 1 per unit. D. Set asset conversion for each downloadable product to 1 per quote line. 4. An admin at Universal Containers has observed that the value in the quantity field on an opportunity product is different from the value in the quantity field in its associated quote line. Which two scenarios describe when quote line quantity and opportunity product quantity will be different? Choose two answers. A. The quote line is on an amendment quote and has a different quantity from its original quote line. B. There is a price rule that changes the quote line's quantity on the after calculate event. C. The quote line's product has pricing method set to block. D. The quote line's product has asset conversion set to 1 per unit. 5. Universal Containers is utilizing lookup price rules to pull daily rate values from the rental rates object. After activating the price rule, the admin notices the daily rate value remains blank, but the user is still able to save the quote. Which aspect of the price rule should the admin review to identify the underlying issue? A. Confirm the API name selected in the SPQQ __lookup object __C field on the price rule record is inputted accurately. B. Confirm the conditions of the price rule are configured accurately based on expected behavior. C. Confirm the tested fields referenced in the lookup queries of the price rule exist on the lookup object. D. Confirm the lookup queries of the price rule are configured to pull only a single referenced value from the lookup object. 6. Universal Containers allows clients to negotiate a discount for product A until a specified date up contract activation. Which three fields on the contracted price record should be configured to satisfy this requirement? A. Product. B. Contract. C. Expiration date. D. Discount. effective date. 7. An admin has implemented a new CPQ business requirement in a sandbox. They have created new products and used them to construct a bundle. The admin has also created a product rule that automatically selects product options when the user selects a specific configuration attribute. In which sequence should the admin migrate the records related to the new CPQ functionality in order to maintain record relationships? A. Products, attributes, options, rules. B. Products, options, attributes, rules. C. Products, attributes, rules, options. D. Attributes, products, options, rules. 8. When can a user expect the conference pass product to be added to the quote during the quoting process? A. The user calculates a quote. B. The user selects a configuration attribute value for a product. C. The user saves the quote. D. The user selects a product for the quote. 9. Universal Containers needs to generate two styles of PDF output. One that includes prices in the line item table if the quote is another that hides prices when the quote primary checkbox is false. Where should the admin reference the primary checkbox field to set up this requirement? A. The hide group subtotals field on the quote template. B. The hide totals field on the quote template. C. The conditional print field for each price line column. D. The conditional print field of a template section for only price line columns. 10. An admin wants to set up a product so a user can all available options and selected options by scrolling in a single page. Which updates should the admin mail to meet this requirement? A. Update option layout on the parent product record to wizard. B. Create features related to the parent product and assign each feature the option. Selection method dynamic. C. Create feature to the parent product and assign all option to one of the created features. D. Update option layout on the parent product record to sections.